smelly dryer can make your clean clothes smell musty and unpleasant, defeating the purpose of doing laundry. This odor is often caused by a buildup of lint, moisture, and mildew inside the machine. Cleaning your dryer is a straightforward process that not only eliminates bad smells but also improves its efficiency and safety. Before you begin any cleaning, the most important first step is to ensure your safety by completely unplugging the dryer from the power outlet. Start with the most common source of problems, the lint trap. Remove the lint screen from its housing. Scrape off all visible lint. You'll likely see a thin film of fabric softener residue on the screen, which can block airflow. To remove this, wash the screen with warm, soapy water and a soft brush. Rinse it well and let it air dry completely before reinserting it. Next, use a vacuum cleaner with a long, narrow crevice attachment to suck out any lint that has accumulated deep inside the lint trap housing. Now, focus on the dryer drum itself. Mix a solution of equal parts distilled white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Generously spray the entire interior surface of the drum. Vinegar is an excellent natural disinfectant and deodorizer that will break down mildew and bacteria. Take a clean microfiber cloth and wipe down the entire drum, paying attention to the crevices and baffles where lint can hide. After the vinegar wiped down, use a second cloth dampened with plain water to rinse away any vinegar residue. To ensure the drum dries properly and to prevent new mildew growth, leave the dryer door wide open for a few hours to air out. The next critical area is the dryer vent system, a major fire hazard if neglected. Carefully pull the dryer away from the wall and disconnect the vent hose from both the back of the machine and the wall duct. Use a specialized dryer vent cleaning brush kit, which is long and flexible, to scrub out the inside of the hose and the ductwork leading outside. You will be surprised by how much lint comes out. Also, go outside and check the exterior vent cap, clearing away any lint, leaves, or debris that might be blocking it. A clear vent path is essential for proper airflow and odor prevention. Once everything is clean, securely reattach the vent hose. For any stubborn, lingering odors, place a small bowl of baking soda or white vinegar inside the drum and close the door overnight to absorb the smell. Another option is to dampen a few old towels with white vinegar, toss them in the dryer, and run a full cycle on a high heat setting. This steam cleans the interior and neutralizes odors. To prevent smells from returning, make it a habit to clean the lint screen after every single load. Avoid leaving damp clothes sitting in the dryer for extended periods, and try to leave the door slightly ajar between uses to promote air circulation. Thank you for watching this guide on how to get your dryer smelling fresh and clean again. Please subscribe to our channel for more helpful home maintenance tips.